Hello everyone, today I will show you how to zoom in and out in OBS Studio. And here's how it is done. 1. Using the transform tool, manual resizing. Open OBS Studio and select the scene where your source is located. Click on the source, example, display capture, window capture, or camera. Resize the source. Click and drag the edges of the red bounding box to make the source larger. Zoom in or smaller, zoom out. Hold Alt, Windows, or Option, Mac while dragging to crop the source. 2. Using a hotkey for zooming. Go to Settings, Hotkeys. Find your scene or source and assign hotkeys for scaling up and down. Apply and save the settings. Now use the assigned hotkeys to zoom in or out quickly. 3. And that's everything you need to know about how to zoom in and out in OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.